In this video, we'll demonstrate the simple steps needed to protect the inside surface of a drinking water storage tank using Resimac 507 DWPU, an aromatic polyurethane coating designed specifically for immersion applications. It is fully BS6920 and WRAS approved, meaning this advanced coating meets all health and safety standards required for permanent immersion in contact with potable water. This makes it a safe, effective and compliant solution. For the best results, surface preparation is essential. A properly prepared substrate ensures maximum adhesion, extending the asset life for over 10 years. Begin by mechanically abrading the entire internal surface, either using an angle grinder or a bristle blaster. This process creates a strong mechanical bond between the metal surface and the protective coating, which is vital for preventing potential contaminants from the existing structure going into the drinking water. Once abraded, thoroughly clean the surface to remove all dust and debris before mixing your product. To mix the product, transfer the entire contents of the activator into the base container. Use a spatula to mix the two components together until you achieve a uniform color, completely free from streaks. Start by stripe coating the edges, joints and corners. Let this application cure for approximately 30 minutes. Afterwards, apply the first full coat to the rest of the exposed surface using a roller or paintbrush. Leave to cure for a minimum of 6 hours, making sure not to exceed the maximum overcoating time. For the second application, we recommend using Resimac's 507 DWPU in a contrasting color. This visual contrast helps guarantee you achieve full, even coverage across the entire tank surface. Repeat the same mixing and application process for this final layer. Always refer to the product technical documents to ensure the required full cure time is reached before returning the tank to service. This advanced formulation is not only safe for drinking water applications, but also increases resistance to aggressive chemicals such as hypochlorites and bleaches. Its excellent corrosion resistance, durability and flexibility allow it to be used on other challenging assets, including exposed external surfaces, sumps, pipelines and chemical containment bund areas. For more detailed information, please contact our Resimac team, who will be happy to assist you.